Many businesses do not have a platform to intentionally promote themselves. A number of businesses do not understand digital marketing and its powerful reach and are stuck using traditional marketing strategies and just don't work in a modern world. Hi, I'm Therese Spiers and I'm the General Manager of the Leadership Project. And I'm pleased to introduce you to our team today. At the Leadership Project Digital Marketing Services, we help purpose-driven entrepreneurs and businesses to raise their profile and generate leads so that they can maximize their impact on the world. Our clients have an important message to share and are driven to make positive change in the world, but often do not know how to get their message out there. But here's the thing, no one can buy a product or services that they don't know about. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. We help our clients build know, like, and trust by elevating them to thought leader status and helping them to connect to their target audience. We had a wide range of services including marketing strategies, video editing, social media management, podcast management, book publishing, and keynote speaking. Our marketing strategies include niching down and understanding your clients, developing clear purpose statements and sales copy that resonate with your target customers, developing a full suite of brand-aligned campaigns and messages. Our done-for-you social media campaigns include all copywriting, graphical design, and audience engagement. Our video editing services create curated videos that generate interest in your brand and message, including promo videos that pop, thought leadership videos, and staff profile videos.
After running one of the world's leading leadership podcasts for the past 3 years, we are now pleased to offer podcast management services. This includes helping you to start your own podcast, including hosting, editing, and marketing the show. We can also act as your agent to get you booked on successful podcasts so that you can elevate your profile as a thought leader in your field. As best-selling authors, we now offer a range of book publishing services. A book is like a business card that someone can't throw away. As a published author, you become an authority in your field. We can help you with coaching on writing your first book and getting published. We can help you with the marketing of the book and getting you into bookstores nationwide. And we can help you with launching your book with amazing book launch events, including media coverage.
If you ever dream of becoming a keynote speaking and commanding presence on world stages, we can help you make that dream come true. We can coach you to master public speaking, and we can act as your agent to get booked on stages and conferences.
What sets us apart from the competition is that we deeply understand your business. We understand leadership, we understand psychology, and we understand business. We truly offer a done-for-you service where you don't have to spoon feed us every step of the way. We cover the entire life cycle of your marketing strategy, from ideation through to the finished product, so that you can focus on what you do best, delivering your services.
What support do we need from you? Our ideal referral is a purpose-driven entrepreneur or business that has a strong message to share but is struggling to connect to their ideal audience. We strive to maximize their impact on the world by giving them the platform that they need to raise their profile and become a recognized thought leader in the field. We will implement their digital marketing strategy and generate leads for them so they can focus on what they do best.